So what do you think happened to all the eggs? Where are all the eggs here?
I hate the egg.
He ate the eggs? Well, I thought he was supposed to be hiding the eggs. Wasn't he hiding? Oh, you ate off all of his hat. Huh? Oh, it's stuck on. Okay, here, lick your fingers off so they're not all sticky. Lick your fingers off. Let's go see if we can find the eggs. Aren't they hiding? Does the Easter Bunny hide the eggs?
Yeah.
We gotta look around.
Yeah.
There he goes. Running, running. Better turn on some lights. You can't see anything in the dark. Where are you? Where are you going to be looking for hiding? Oh, not under there.
No.
No?
Take that room. No.
We'll look around.
No.
Oh, there's a train track. You have so many toys, it's crazy. Oh, look around here. Go look go look over by the house.
House? No, I see house.
Can you see an egg?
Yeah.
Oh, there's an egg. Tata found the first egg. Gotta go put it back. Go, and don't throw it in or it'll get broken. Put it in carefully. Why do we put it in carefully, Tata? They break easily. Yeah, there's one egg. We have to find 11 more.
No, see.
Well, we have to find them. That's why we're hiding.
Yeah.
Okay.